How to increase contrast on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Display and Text Size. Here, go to Increase Contrast. Now, turn on this feature. This feature increases color contrast between app foreground and background colors. As you can see, the app foreground color has turned brighter. You can also manage the other display and text size settings from here. For example, making the text bold, increasing text size, reducing transparency, and more. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily increase contrast on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.